So once we clicked finish in our coverage period setup wizard, we come now to what we call the dashboard. This is where we're going to be building out the plan designs for our employers. Now, the first thing we really want to understand in working with Dynamis is the way that plan designs are organized. So the idea is we have this blue bar here going across the page, this blue, what we call plan group header. And it says current on the left and we have 0 on the right. So the idea is that we organize plan designs into what we call plan groups. And the visual that I like to use for this is if we had an employer, we've got a file box there and we open it up and the first thing in that file box is the green hanging file folder that says current. All right, and inside that green hanging folder, there's a manila folder, each one containing the details of a particular plan design offered in current. All right, so really the plan group is the green hanging folder that contains all the plan designs. And then the plan designs are the manila folders that are going in there. So think of our plan group header here as really the label of our green hanging file folder of current. All right. Now, one of the things you'll notice when we come in here is this green box with the 3 white lines. Whenever we see this in Dynamis, that's going to indicate options. All right. So we can come here and click on that. And now we get options that are going to pertain to the whole group of plans. All right. So one of the things we can do is we can add a name to that plan group. All right, maybe current is fine, but the idea is we want to be able to add a description so that we can set up an expectation of what's going to be contained in those plan designs. Normally, we'll probably be using the carrier name or something along that lines, but for our training sample, we just want to use dual option. All right, so I'm going to type in dual option and click rename, and now we can see how that plan group name is displayed. So as we build out these different plan groups, we're going to want to add names so there's an expectation even from the dashboard on what is going to be contained within those. All right, so now that we've got our plan group named, it's time to actually enter in our first plan design in our current dual option plan group. All right, now one thing we want to point out here is you're going to notice this green button here that says finished entering current plan designs. So I know when we're into a new tool, we want to go in and click around. Try and keep from clicking finished entering current plan designs until we've entered both of the plan designs in current. You won't break anything, but it will take you to different screens. If you happen to click that and can't find your way back, feel free to contact us at support@dynamiscorp.com.